Hello everybody, I am Narendra Sharma, and in this module of 5S training series, I am going to discuss about the Seiso or shine. So, what are the learning contents of this module? First, you will see. First, I will discuss the meaning of Seiso or shine. Then, I will discuss the objectives of cleaning and what kinds of problem you will face in absence of cleaning, the work specific problems or the general problems you will face in absence of cleaning, and who is responsible for cleaning in the organization. Then I will discuss how to practice the Seiso or shine or the cleanliness at workplace or in the organization. Now, starting with the meaning of Seiso or shine. Seiso or shine is the third S and it implies sanitization. And what sanitization implies? Sanitization implies the procedure to make things clean and clear at workplace. That means to maintain the cleanliness at workplace. It implies no dust particle at workplace, and every item should be as clean as to shine. Now, clean mind and clean workplace. What is the relation between the psychology of cleaning and the clean workplace? You will see here, in Japan, every family is responsible for cleaning the pavement in front of their houses. That means in front of the houses, the pavement, the family is very much responsible to clean the pavement in front of their houses. And they need not street cleaners. They just need the rubbish collectors. And what they do, they just collect the rubbish what the house owner put out in front or the outside the houses. And what they believe that while doing the cleaning, they are cleaning their minds too. So the relation between the psychology of cleaning and the clean workplace is that if your mind is clean, that means your workplace will be clean. And if your workplace is clean, that means you like the cleaning at your workplace and you automatically work more to perform your job. That means you get motivated the cleaning at workplace to do your work. For example, how do you feel after cleaning the home before New Year? Don't you feel the feeling of freshness? Why it is happened? It happened because of you have a feeling of losing the burden of the wastage in your houses, and you clean your houses by collecting the rubbish and thrown out from your houses. This way you feel the feeling of freshness, and this means you are very much required the cleanliness at your workplace. The whole year, whatever the things are not required by you, you are just collecting those rubbish things and put out outside your houses so that the rubbish collectors collect those things, and you have a feeling of freshness in your houses. Therefore, cleaning makes feeling of freshness and energize you to do your work more efficiently. This means the cleaning at workplace improve your work efficiency, and there is no doubt that if you have a clean mind, that means you like the cleanliness at workplace, then there is the cleaning at your workplace. Now, what are the objectives of cleaning? The first objective is that do not get things dirty. Do not make the things dirty. Do not scatter the things around at your workplace. Rewrite the things that have got erased. If some label or the writings on a particular label have got erased, rewrite the required label as early as possible so that it can be visible by everyone. Always wear clean and shining clothes. Windows are clean to transparent in your offices. Wherever you are working, if there are windows, you must clean those windows so that transparency could reflect at the workplace. There should not be any dirt particle or spit at the workplace. So these are some of the objectives of the cleaning, and you have to achieve these objectives of cleaning at your workplace. And if you are not achieving the objective of cleaning at your workplace, then you will definitely face some of the work specific problems in absence of cleaning. And what could be these problems? Dirty air conditioning filters leads to defects in printing. If there are some dirty air conditioning filters, that means the filters of air conditions are not properly clean, that leads to defects in printing. If some printing is happening there, then because of the dirt particles, the printing could be defective, and filings in the conveyance chutes leads to scratching. How it could be possible? Because of the filings in the conveyance chutes can damage the conveyor belt, which is made of some rubber, or the conveyor belt may get damaged, and this lead to the scratching in the conveyance chutes, and this will lead to hold the collection through the any waste material through conveyance chutes, and scraps in the die leading to faulty pressings. Suppose there are some scraps in the die, what could happen there? The die, whatever kind of this die is, the die will produce faulty pressings, and things fall off the equipment and get into the products. What happen if your equipment is not clean? then the dust particle, this may be the dust particle or some scraps are there, some filings may be there on your equipment, and that could go into your product. Things get dented or bent in conveyance because of the filings in the conveyance chutes. The conveyance chutes may get dented or bent. Some other examples are filings and other particles contaminate the resin, and some dirty coolant are there. The coolants are there, coolant is dirty. This leads to clogging, and if there are some dust or other substances ruin the painting process. If there are some dusts, that will ruin the painting process, and there are some bad connections as a result of dirty electrical joints. So some open electrical joints are there often. Some open electrical joints are there, and dust particles settle down on the electrical joints, and this will lead to the bad connection of the electrical joints, and sometimes the event of short circuit could happen in the electrical joints, and this will lead to failure of electrical equipment or short circuit of electrical equipment because of this garbage or some dust particle on the electrical joints. Sometimes this may lead to fire, and very common example is there misbehavior by the computers. Misbehavior like you may get some lines on your screen, and your system may get shut down by itself. Heating effects, why it could happen? It is because of the absence of internal cleaning. If you are not cleaning your system regularly, then it could possible that your system misbehave. Now, there are some general problems in absence of cleaning. What are these problems? The work efficiency. In absence of cleaning, your work efficiency may reduce, and the manpower exhausted soon at the dirty workplace. If the workplace is not enough clean or it is dirty, then the manpower who is working in the organization may get exhausted very soon, and things will not find easily in absence of cleaning. Suppose you are not cleaning regularly at your workplace and your tools are not clean, then you will not find the tools you required whenever you want use of your equipment or the tool required at your workplace. Why it is happening? It is happening because of absence of cleaning. The tools are not clean. You just want a particular tool, and because of the tool is not clean, clearly visible, it is not visible clearly to you, and in that case you will not find the tool required. Now, dirty workplace may cause of allergies and asthma. These are some health issues. At the dirty workplace, the workforce may get allergies or asthma at such kind of place where the dust particles are there. And what happens if there are the issues, health issues of allergies or asthma? In absence of cleaning, the allergies and asthma could happen to the workforce, and this lead to the health issues, and this lead to the absenteeism at workplace or in the organization. So the organization suffers with the absenteeism of the workforce. Now, How to practice the Seiso or shine at workplace? First, graphing out the individual areas of responsibility. And how would you do that? You need to specify who will clean what and where and when. That means you need to specify each and every person that this person will clean this item and where this item is available and when he will clean this item. For example, the inspector who is doing the work of inspection, he need to maintain the cleanliness at his workplace and clean each and every tool available for inspection. This is his responsibility, and he has to pay his responsibility very efficiently to maintain the cleanliness. Another example there, the lab assistant must maintain the cleanliness in his lab so that the equipment available in the lab are clearly visible, efficiently work for a particular test and give the best result. Nothing is undefined and unallocated. Every item should be defined, every clause is defined clearly about the cleaning, and the responsibility to everyone is allocated properly. Now, along with this, if you want the cleanliness in your organization, then you must have built the habit of daily 5 minutes cleaning at workplace. To start work at your workplace, pay your 5 minutes for cleaning at your workplace. Always wear light color clean clothes. Why? It forces the workman to change the clothes when blots or dirt get visible. So therefore always wear light color clean clothes like this. If you can see my shirt, this is clean and the white color clean cloth, and if there is some dirt or blot on this shirt, I need to change this shirt. And why the blot or dirt is visible on this shirt? Because of the color of this shirt, so that easily I can notice the blot or dirt particle on my shirt, and then I need to change this shirt. Now clean the dirt on table, items available on the table, and the windows at workplace. Clean everything at your workplace. Nothing should be dirty. Everything should be clean, and it should be so clean that it speaks itself that what it is and for what it is. Throw out the rubbish into dustbin. Maintain the dustbin at your workplace to throw the rubbish things at your workplace. And the most important thing, that you need to manage a chart for complete cleaning at workplace, and on this chart mention the date on which the complete cleaning is done, and study how frequently the complete cleaning is required at workplace. Count the number of days between two complete cleaning, and study gradually how frequently you require the complete cleaning at your workplace. This will reflect that how efficient you are to maintain the cleaning at your workplace. Now this is all about the Seiso or shine, or you can say that the sanitization. Now let's have a quick recap about the Seiso or shine. Seiso or shine implies sanitization, and sanitization implies make things clean and clear, and it is so clean and clear that it speaks itself that what it is and for what it is. Clean everything to shine, graphing out the individual areas of responsibility of cleaning, build habit for daily 5 minutes for cleaning, daily cleaning of self, workplace and things at workplace, manage a chart for complete cleaning at workplace. So I hope you have enjoyed this video about the Seiso or shine. If you have any question or suggestion, then do write your feedback in comment box. Like this video and share this video among your friends and colleagues. Subscribe Shakehand with Life on YouTube and press the bell icon to get notifications for future training videos. And if you want to download the course notes of 5S in PDF, then visit www.shakehandwithlife.in, then go to bookshelf and download the course notes in PDF. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.